Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Patreon, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Patreon website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. You will see options to sign up with either your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Review and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Click the Sign Up button to proceed. If you signed up with email, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Patreon. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Patreon website and log in using your email and password. Now that you are logged in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Add your display name, profile picture, and a short bio that describes you. Select your location and add any relevant links, such as social media profiles. After filling in your details, click the Next button to continue. Next, you can explore the options for creators and patrons. If you're looking to support creators, navigate to the Explore tab to find public pages. If you're a creator looking to set up a page, click on Create on Patreon. Follow the prompts to set up your creator account, including payment details and membership plans. Once you complete the setup, your account will be active. You can now start supporting your favorite creators or crafting your own Patreon page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.